how to create custom middleware, how to configure custom middleware. Is it possible to configure multiple middlewares or not? Like all the people. So now let me start the cinema. The next important concept, very helpful concept, very important for most of the people. So the concept is deployment. Are getting our applications? I want to move to live server. Are getting? I want to move to live server. Is it possible or not? How you can able to do that? Okay, just don't worry. It's a bit easy concept. A bit easy concept only. Step by step we require to consider. Okay, don't worry much about that. Just let me talk about that in detail. So the first point here you should aware, sir, before going to the deployment, of course it is under deployment only, under deployment part only. Okay, in the deployment, before going to the original deployment, some small things we require to take care. Okay, we should have some knowledge about some important terminology. What the things are, just do you know? So deploying our applications, to deploy our Python, I mean Django applications, there are multiple platforms are available, sir. Regarding there are multiple platforms are available. So while choosing deployment platform, there are several factors by default will come in the picture. Amazon Cloud, Python Anywhere.com. Next and after that, you know, DigitalOcean, virtual machine. Okay, virtual CVS, digital ocean, like Heroku. Like there are several deployment platforms are available, right? Okay, so this is one several deployment platforms are available, right? But while choosing these options, so we have to consider the first ones are scalability. Okay, we require to talk about, we have to worry about scalability concept, right? So first one, scalability. Second one, sir, performance. Regarding second one, performance, scalability, performance. Next, do you know, sir, scalability, performance, price, security. So this is the price. Next, security, price, security. Like next, fifth one, sir, do you know, is easy to use. Like there are several factors we require to consider. Remember this one, sir. Okay, so while you to deploy our applications into the live server, there are multiple options are available, but while choosing these options, the following factors are very important, sir. Scalability, performance, price. Scalability means, so suppose today I developed a small application, sir. Okay, today I developed a small application. Per day only 1,000 requests are coming. No problem. Now our application is in a position to handle the requests. Suddenly my application will become more popular. Tomorrow, sir, instead of 1,000, 1 lakh requests are coming. So 1 lakh requests are coming. Sir, can you please tell, is our application, is our platform, our application is in a position scalable to 1 lakh requests or not? Regarding scalability means, even number of requests are increasing, there should not be any effect at all in the performance and so on. That is called scalability. Okay, even load increases. Okay, our application should be in a position to respond immediately like this type. Next, and after that, prices should be as less as possible. If it is a free, too good, well and good. Okay, next, security is also very important. No other person, security is also very important. No other person is allowed to access our internal code. No other person is allowed to hack our application. Security is also matters a lot. Next, easy to use, because deploying an application, admin should not feel any difficulty in that platform like this, right? So there are several factors we require to consider while deploying our applications. Up to this, are you in the position to understand, right? So there are multiple deployment options are available. Okay, while choosing these, yes, all these factors also we require to consider. Okay, that's all. Next, what are various deployment options available for Django applications? Like deployment options available for Django applications, right? Deployment options are available for Django applications. Sir, the deployment options are the first one, Python anywhere.com, Python anywhere.com. Okay, anywhere.com. It is sir easiest. It's a very simple and easy to host, sir. Very simple and easy to host. Okay, like this. Second one, sir, Heroku. Are you getting second digital ocean. Okay, digital ocean. Next and after the Heroku. Okay, Amazon Cloud, Heroku. Okay, next and after that Amazon Cloud, AWS, like there are multiple options are available, right? Amazon Cloud, like there are multiple options are available. So to deploy our applications, right? So very fortunate. So for every platform, a clear documentation, deployment documents are available, sir. Clear documentation steps are available for deployment. Because the reason if they are not going to provide clear documentation for deployment steps, then no one is going to use that platform. If no one is going to use that platform, then how they can generate money? Are you getting? No one is going to use. If applications are not going to be deployed, how they can generate money? That's why for their business's sake, they will provide a clear, well-structured deployment documentation, sir. Okay, so just open the document step by step. If you follow, automatically your application by default will be in the live. That's why. So if you are facing any difficulty, okay, to deploy your application in these platforms, then that is not your mistake. That is the mistake from the deployment vendor. Then it's a big negative impact. That's why deployment steps are very clear, very easy to follow. These people are providing, right? Okay, well, next, what about, is it free or paid? Most of the things are paid only, but some places free services are also available, right? Free. So Python anywhere, almost around 3 months, your application is in live. After 3 months, if you want to continue your application, then you require to pay. Sima, getting right? Okay, that's it. Just a basic idea you people should be aware, sir. Sir, up to this, any doubt? Up to this, any doubt about this one? So if you want to make your application live, there are several options are available, but while choosing these options, compulsory we have to worry about these factors. That's all, sir. Next, there is one small point I have to tell, sir. Have you ever heard about Git? Have you ever heard about Git? Next, and after that, GitHub. Okay, GitHub. Next, okay, GitHub. Next, so GitLab. Okay, Bitbucket. Like, have you remembered, right? Bitbucket. Like, there are several things you may heard about these things, right? Okay, now we are using Heroku, AWS, DigitalOcean, Python anywhere.com. These words also, right? Now, what my doubt here is, sir, I'm using several words here, like Git I'm using, GitHub I'm using, GitLab I'm using, Bitbucket I'm using. Okay, like sir, now these things also you should be in a position to differentiate all these words related to 3 important categories, right? Git is one category, these things are another category, these things are another category, right? What is the difference between Git and GitHub? For which purpose we are going to use Git? For which purpose we are going to use GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket? Next, what about these things, right? So these things are deployment hosting, deployment okay, servers, right? Deployment server for our application, these. But what is Git and what is the GitHub? Both are same or both are different? Please confirm. Okay, the people who are already working in the companies, they are very strong in this area, I know. But what about the remaining people? So who are just learners, who are just beginners, take a bit very special care, sir. Because these days GitHub, these words are very common. So if you don't know about the GitHub, if you don't know, if you are not having the GitHub account, GitHub account, clear indication that this person is coming from Amirpet, just a fresher man. Even your experience, you are telling directly you are okay, fake candidate. That's why compulsory this knowledge people should be aware. Okay, GitHub. What is the difference between these terminology, right? Okay, very simple, sir. Very simple. All the terminologies, okay, this is one category. This is one category. Under this is another category. Under this is another category, sir. But what is the difference? I will explain. This one is called this one is called version control system. Regarding this one is called version control system. Gift is a version control system. And this one is called hosting. Okay, remote hosting services, remote hosting server, remote hosting server. These things are deployment servers. Regarding deployment server, hosting server, and then version control systems. What is the meaning of these words? What we have to take, what we require to use, in what way we are going to use this terminology is also very, very important, right? Regarding right, so now the terminology just git, next GitHub, there are three words are there. First word, version control systems. I didn't explain anything, sir. Don't worry. For this best example, Git. Of course, there are some other things are there. I will explain what the need, for which purpose, and so on. Just one category, version control systems. Another category is remote hosting server. Remote hosting server. This is nothing but GitHub. You can go for GitHub, or otherwise you can go for GitLab. Regarding GitLab, or otherwise you can go for Bitbucket, something like a Bitbucket, where you can store your code. Regarding Bitbucket, GitHub, where you can store your something. GitLab, where you can store your code, something like so this is GitHub or GitLab or Git. Next, deployment server. Deployment server. This deployment server itself is nothing but, okay, sir, Python anywhere.com, DigitalOcean, Heroku, or AWS. These four things are by default considered as deployment servers. So there are three different type of words are available. Purposes are different. Okay, like you should aware, sir. Regarding, so but anyway, I didn't explain anything, just aware. Here there are three types of different words are available. One is version control, second one is remote hosting server, third one is the deployment server. If you can aware what the link between these, for which purpose we are going to use which one, then your life by default will become very easy. Terminology wise, is it okay? But purpose, functionality I didn't explain. Purpose, functionality I didn't explain. Terminology wise, is it okay, right? So what is Git, GitHub, okay, like Python anywhere, AWS, like these things compulsory you people should aware. Just a matter of 2 minutes here, just observe that, sir. What is Git? First level version control system we have to talk, sir. Now what I'm trying to tell, let me explain a small point in easy understandable terminology. Here listen a bit carefully about these words, right? So most of the people, you know, some people almost around 50% of the people like me, sir, I know Git, but I don't know much clearly what is its internal purpose, what advantages, like I don't know, sir. Like majority of the people are there. Okay, like me, there are several people are there, sir. Take very special care about this terminology, right? Sir, suppose assume that one client came. Assume that one client came, sir. Okay, sir, one client came. Durga, can you please develop a small application for my requirement like this? Then automatically, what I did is, okay, what I did is, I developed a small application, sir. I developed a small application for its requirement. Like one fine day, I call that client. Sir, this is the demo. Can you please go through this demo? Can you please go through? This is the demo. Like I gave the demo for that person. Then immediately, what is going to do here? So everything is good, man. There are some changes are here, some changes are required here, some changes are required. Like he told some 3 changes. Assume that he told some three changes, right? Okay, well. Now what I did is, I performed the required changes. Here only I did the required changes like this, right? I did required changes. Then after few days, I called again the client. Sir, I gave the demo. Then immediately client is telling, this is okay, but the problem is this is not that much good. This is not that much good. That's why, can you please do some more modification? Like this, he told, sir. No problem. I did some more modification. I did some modification. Then after a few days, that person came. Then automatically he saw that, array, this total application seems to be not good. Old is very good. Can you please show old one? Are you getting? Can you please show old one? First day, whatever you showed, I want that application. Can you please show? Array, I did all the changes in the existing application only. I'm not having that version. In the same thing only. Then immediately my face with a bigger question mark face. Then the client is going to be left and right. Why you performed all changes in the existing application only? Are you getting that? Why you performed all changes in the existing application only? Whether old one is good or new one is good, whether old one is good, new one is good, somewhere, okay, you require to compare. If it seems old one is good, I want to choose that particular thing only. Okay, like, is it a problem or not? Are you getting right? Is it a problem or not? Yes, it's a bigger problem, sir. Or otherwise, can you please develop this one Django 1.1 version? He is asking, sir, can you please develop Django 1.11 version? Next, tomorrow, Django 2 is a very powerful, sir. Why don't you develop by using Django 2? Then immediately, I changed the versions. Then I developed 2.0 or 2.1. Then the client is telling 2.1 is okay, but seems to be last time whenever you showed 1.11 version, that thing is too good, man. Can you please show again the old one? I'm not in a position to show. Getting the problem? Is it a bigger problem or not? Yes. Whether it's a small project, so if it's a big enterprise application, there are thousands of people are working simultaneously, then automatically how you can maintain. So for that, what I have is just observe that. Okay, so array for the last client, if that previous client is not that much happy with my services, this is the problem what I faced like this. Now onwards, what for the second client, what I did is, okay, the client gave the requirements. Now observe this. The client gave the requirement. So I called the client. Then automatically, yes, he came. I developed the application. I called the client. He came, sir. Then immediately I showed the version. Array, this is the application, man. I developed like this. Then immediately the client is telling, so this area I want some change. This area I want some change like this, right? Wow, excellent, man. After 2 days, can you please come? We will complete like this, right? Now assume that. So after a few days, I invited the client again for the demo, but this time I performed with all those changes not in the existing application. With those changes, I created a new application. Something like, observe that, something like I did, sir. Something like I did. Here the new changes I did. Now I'm telling, sir, last time I showed this application, you told these are the changes. Now we did these changes. Now can you please, is it okay or not? Like this I showed, right? Then immediately is telling some changes again. Then immediately I did the required changes. I called the client again. Now the client came, sir, for the third time demo. Sir, first day on 13th November. Okay, sir, on 13th November, version 1 is this one, sir. On 15th November, okay, sir, version 2 I changed with your required changes. Later you gave some more changes, sir. Then on 17th November, this is the version 3. Now can you please observe? Still, if you have any changes, please let us know. We are ready to do that. Then the client can feel very happy or not? Are you getting right? Now the client can feel very happy or not? Yes. Okay. Sir, here the problem is, within the application, thousands of files are available. These thousands of files are not performed by single person, not developed by single person. Multiple people are going to collaborate. And work for the project. Yeah, how you can keep track of these changes, man? Version 1, version 1.1, version 1.2, something like all these changes, how you can keep track of. So if you want to do manually like this, then it's a big burden. If some automated software is responsible to do all these activities, then our life will become very easy or not? Yes, friends, our life will become very easy or not? If some software is already available to do all these things, then our life will become very easy, sir. Okay, such type of software component, software application itself is nothing but version control systems. Are you getting? Version control systems. Are you getting? So these are the systems, okay, to maintain different versions, to track multiple versions, history of changes, everything by default is available. There are some okay, predefined software applications are available for this purpose. These things are called version control systems. Everyone can able to understand? So here, can you please tell best version control, the most popular version control system these days is Git. Are you getting right? What is this one, sir? Git is version control systems. If you perform any change, if you commit immediately, a new snapshot by default is going to be created by the Git. Remember this one, sir. So Git, what is Git? Simple answer you can able to tell, version control systems. So the people who are coming from Java background, have you heard the CVS? Yo, have you heard the CVS, concurrent version system? CVS, SVN, CVS, SVN, and Git. All these things are version control systems. Okay, remember that. If you open, sir, GitHub is not version control system. Okay, remember, just only Git, Sushil. Okay, if you open the Google, okay, most popular here, just I'm taking popular version control tools, popular version control tools, like this. You can ask, have you observed, right? First Git came, sir. Next Apache Subversion. Okay, next and after that Mercurial. Okay, next concurrent version system, have you observed, right? CVS. Okay, like next GNU Bazaar. Okay, like next purpose. Okay, like next Visual Studio Team Foundation Server from Microsoft, I hope. TFS. Okay, next IBM Rational Clear Case. It is from Rational Clear Case. It is from IBM, sir. Are you getting? Like there are multiple version control systems are available. Okay, like CVS NT. Have you remembered, right? CVS, SVK, distributed concurrent system, SCM, something like that. There are multiple things are available. But anyway, the most popular version control itself is nothing but Git. Are you able to understand? Now, in a single word, what is Git? In a single word, what is Git? What is the main advantages of Git? What is the single word? Can you please tell what is the Git? Git is what is the Git? Yes, Sushil. Git is version control system. Version control system. What is the main advantages of Git, sir? Okay, so first one, to maintain multiple versions of same product. Are you getting? To maintain multiple versions of same product, multiple versions of same product. Yes, so version 1, version 2, version 3, like so same I can able to maintain. Yes, to maintain multiple versions of same product. Okay, this is the first thing what we have, sir. Okay, next second one. So to maintain multiple versions of the same product, version 1, version 2, version 3, like at any point of time, we can have we can have backup of previous versions. Regarding backup of previous versions, previous versions. Okay, current version gone, some virus attack or something like a current version crashed, then automatically no problem, previous versions are there, backup of previous versions are available, right? Next, we can see the difference between two versions of our code base. Okay, at a time we can see the difference between two versions, between two versions of code base, regarding code base. Next, code base, like next, we can run multiple versions of same product simultaneously. We can run multiple versions of same product, simultaneously, simultaneously, like this, right? Regarding this type of n number of advantages by default we are going to get because of version control systems. Are you getting right? Yeah. Next, sir, Vinod is asking some small thing. Okay, preventing the other developers on parallel changes at a time, which leads to ambiguity. Preventing the other developers on parallel changes at a time. Yes, there is a possibility is there, sir. Branching, like a master branch, and like there is some concept is there, branching like that. Yes, multiple developers can able to collaborate simultaneously. There is a facility is there. Don't worry. Okay, so just a master branch, like individual branches, like there is a way is there. Don't worry about this problem. Okay, that's all. So now, are you seeing the benefits of version control or not? Really, is it beneficial or not? Yes, obviously, man. Because if I develop only one in that application only, if I keep on changes after 1 year, I thought that old version is good, I want that old version. Sorry, not available. No, we should not legend such a type of answer. That's why some version control must be required. Now, I have shown you are in a position to install Django 2.1, Django 1.1, 1.11, 1.10, 1.9, like all versions, any version based on your requirement, you can install Django. Based on your requirement, you can install any version or not. Are you getting, sir? If the Django people are telling, hey, 2.11 only. Once 2.11 we introduced, next 2.1 we introduced, 1.11, 1.10, no such type of things, man, gone already, because it is won't be there, then meaningless. Based on your requirement, you have to choose the corresponding version. How this thing is possible? Django itself is one software. How they are going to maintain multiple versions? Okay, by using some sort of version control systems. That thing is nothing but, okay, our Git or CVS or SVN or otherwise GNU Bazaar. Okay, like now the terminology is the very clear. What is Git? What is version control? First level, right? Next one after that, there is a second word is there. This word is a very important, sir. Remote hosting server. Remote hosting server. What is the meaning of this one? Remote hosting server. What it means? Do you know? Sometimes it's a very common general terminology, man. If you observe that, if you are going to provide just one important valuable document, I want to provide for you people, right? One very valuable document I want to provide. Now I will ask a single straightforward question: are you going to save this document in your local system, or are you going to save this document in your mail where you are going to keep? Are you going to keep this document in your mail or in your local system? Which is good? Can you please confirm? It's a very which is good? Is it in your local system or in the mail? If you are going to store in your local system, the bigger problem is if that local system got crashed. Are you getting? That local system got crashed. What will happen? Sometimes very common, sir. Very common. What happened is all my applications I saved in the local system. Local system. All my applications I saved in the local system. One fine day, system is not starting. Virus attack or some power problem somewhere, system is not starting. Then, so all my applications will be gone. Is it a problem or not? That's why after completing every application, sir, I'm saving that application where? I'm saving that application where? Google Drive. Regarding that cloud, I'm saving that application to the Google Drive and I'm asking, can you please download from the Google Drive? Tomorrow, if my local system by default will be gone, still from the Google Drive, from anywhere, I can able to access my application. Are you able to understand? Can you please tell, storing our applications in the local machine, storing our applications in the remote machine, which is highly recommended, sir. Remote secure machine storing is always highly recommended. That remote hosting servers to host our applications, different our applications are different versions, such type of thing is nothing but remote hosting servers. Remember this one, sir. So your application is there currently in my local machine. Boss, this is the version 1, this is the version 2, this is the version 3, version 4, version 5, version 6. 6 versions I maintain in my local machine. I gave demo several times to the client. One fine day client came, my local machine got crashed. Then what is the scenario? What is the situation? It's always a bigger problem. Regarding it's always a bigger problem. That's why. So we require to host our applications somewhere on the remote server, somewhere on the remote server. So such type of remote hosting servers to store our applications, okay, is nothing but GitHub. Are you getting GitHub? Next, GitLab. Are you getting GitHub, GitLab? Next and after that, Bitbucket, something like this. Now, thoda small clarity by default you people are going to get. Now the client is going to ask, or some ex person is going to ask, Durga, can you please share your application? Then immediately, sir, can you please bring pen drive, because it is there in my current current system. Then automatically is going to see from top to bottom. Why don't you host to GitHub and give the link? From there I will download. Again, why don't you save? Why don't you save to the GitHub? Why don't you host in the GitHub and give the link? I can download from there. Why I have to bring like are you able to understand the point, right? So this is what is the need of remote hosting servers. Okay, like do you know, if you observe in the Google, okay, here I'm using GitHub. Regarding if I use GitHub or otherwise remote hosting servers, remote hosting servers like if you observe GitHub top line web hosting, okay, like remote hosting or otherwise GitHub. Just let me take directly GitHub hosting. Have you observed, right? GitHub hosting like this, right? Sir, GitHub hosting. If you consider github.com, it is the official website for that, sir. github.com. Now observe that. Now observe a bit very carefully about this one. Sir, learn Git and here just github.com. Okay, like so just home page or any. Is it there anything? Signed in, yes, sign out. Okay, here just sign out like this, right? So built for developers. Okay, GitHub is a development platform inspired by the way you work. From open source to business, you can host and review code, manage products and build software along with 31 million developers, something like this. Built for developers. This is the GitHub terminology, right? Sir, if I can use the word GitLab like this, right? If you consider GitLab also, you know, yeah, just observe what these people are telling me. GitLab starting, have you observed, right? DevOps starting and scaling DevOps in enterprise, like why GitLab? Like a leader in CI tools evaluation, something like sir, they have. Again, If you consider pricing, free trial, self-managed, GitLab.com, something like that, new features, it's one type of GitLab like this, right? Now here just the first here what is telling, the first single application for the entire DevOps life cycle, GitLab. Okay, like this, right? Next, third one, if you consider, what is the third one? What is the third one? Ayo, Bitbucket. Regarding what is the third one? Oh, if I can type a B, automatically first Bitbucket and then book my show. If I type B in the Google, then the first one Bitbucket, then the first one Bitbucket, and then book my show. Okay, Bitbucket and then like Bitbucket. Okay, like that. So now bitbucket.org. Okay, the Git solution for professional teams. The Git solution for professional teams, built for professional teams, something like that. So, thoda clarity. I hope you people are in a position. Okay, you people are in a position to understand clearly, right? There are two words are very clear for you people, right? Sir, what is Git? What is the GitHub? Remote hosting services is the GitHub. Similar to GitHub, we have GitLab, Bitbucket. These kind of things are available. Next, I have one small doubt, sir. Here, not my doubt. Tirumalaisi is asking me a wonderful doubt. Can you please avail it once? Are you in the position to answer this one? Please, sir. If we post your application in the GitHub, then it will be available to everyone. Then very security. Yeah, good man. Good doubt. What answer you can able to tell? What answer you can tell? You have to respond. Sir, if you post your application in the GitHub, then it will be available to everyone, sir. Where is the security? Where is the security? Good. We have access control permissions. We can either make it open source or closed source. We can hide with the private. Remember that. Remember that. So, Tirumalesu, you want security? You want security? If you want security, compulsory you have to go for paid version. Are you getting paid version? We have two types of repositories are there in the GitHub. Public repository, and the paid repository. Public repository, any person can able to see. Are you getting? Any person can able to see, sir. It is the public repository. Any person can able to see that. Have you observed? Pricing. Okay. Sorry, if you are developer, just $7 per month. If you are team, $9 per month. Business cloud, conduct sale, something like this, right? So for private repositories, only you people and your access permissions are there. Only private. It is not visible to any person. So if it is a public, free means public, any person can able to see. Getting right? So paid. So security by default will be there on the GitHub. Don't worry about that. But just the $7 per month we require to pay. Okay, well. Next, sir, now observe a bit very carefully. So Git, okay. Git means version control system. GitHub means remote hosting service. So if here first we will develop our application all versions in our local system, and we will maintain sir the application and version control by using Git in our local system. Now this Git repository I have to move to GitHub. Are you getting? Next step is I require to move to GitHub. This is the next level, sir. Once we require to move to the GitHub, okay, from here you can deploy your application in the AWS. You can deploy in the application in the Heroku. You can deploy your application on pythonanywhere.com. So deployment where our Django servers will be there, Django databases are there. Now on these missions our application is going to run. Now the application is in live. Any end user can able to access. Are you getting? Just the GitHub is hosting. That's all. Hosting, right? Now I want to run my application, which is available for the people. Any person can send the request, can get the response. Such type of platform is nothing but next level deployment platform. Are you getting right? Deployment platform, right? Deployment platform. Can you please spell out what are various deployment platforms are available? Okay, it's a very important. Already I covered. Sir, any cloud-based platform, itself is nothing but deployment platform. AWS, next and after that Python, Anywhere.com, Heroku. These kind of things are deployment platforms, right? Yes, Windows, Azure, AWS. All these things are by default considered as deployment platforms. Clear, friends? Not required to keep much explanation about this terminology. 3 words you people should be aware clearly, right? So the first word Git, second word hosting platform, third word deployment platform. Are you getting that? Deployment platform. First I developed my application in the local machine under version. If you want to maintain version, then automatically version control, Git by default I'm going to use here. Next, by using this Git, I will host inside GitHub. Regarding from the GitHub, I will copy my application. Into Python Anywhere.com. Then I can send the request. Now I can run my application. Once I can run my application in the Python Anywhere.com or any deployment platform, now end user can able to send the request happily. End users can able to see the response, right? Yes, I did. I developed one application. Now just the basic idea purpose I want to tell. In my local machine, okay, I developed one small application, sir. What is our application is Django, like first project, something like I developed one project, Django projects 9 AM. Second project is there, sir. Just assume that this is the second project where I developed this one. Can you please tell where I developed, where it is there currently in my local system? Let me start this application. Here. Django projects 9 AM. Okay, second project like this I'm taking py manage.py manage.py run server like this. Are you getting local? In my local machine it is there, sir. In my local machine it is there. Okay, it is there, sir. Now let me run this application from the local machine. Local machine. Now have a look once. 127 slash okay date. This is the URL pattern what I have. Can you please observe the current date and time at server is this is the response I want to get. Are you getting? Now first step what I have to take is from our local machine this application I want to move to GitHub by using Git, sir. Are you getting? I want to move to GitHub by using Git. Remember this one. So next step what I have to take is I require to move this second project into GitHub by using Git. Okay, I moved it. If I can log in to my GitHub account, then automatically I can able to show. Sir, I'm not sure. Okay, GitHub. Just 1 minute. Sign in. Okay, sign in. I'm not sure what is the name. Django, Durgasoft or Durgasoft Django. Durgasoft Django. No, just our email address durgaadvjava@gmail.com. Next here GitHub 1 2 3 4 5 like this, right? Yes. Okay. Well, do you know here my repositories? Are you getting right? Repositories. How many repositories are there? 2 repositories are there. Okay, like this. But how I did that part I will take care. Don't worry, sir. Okay, Django. What is this project? Can you please observe that? What is this project, sir? Second project. Now, where you are seeing this one, sir? Inside GitHub.com. Are you getting where you are seeing this one, sir? Inside GitHub.com. Is it clear? Right? It is the public. It is the public. I'm not having any paid. Any person can able to download just by using the link. No problem at all. Next, here what is the next one, sir? Let me I moved, I copied, I cloned from GitHub into pythonanywhere.com. Are you getting? pythonanywhere.com already. So dashboard is there already. Here dashboard is there. Oh, it is the Ranjan's account. Log out. Okay, here Durga soft Django. I'm taking password. I'm not sure. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Good. Now, do you know, sir? Here you can able to see. You can able to see the files regarding recent files. You can able to see my projects. Regarding my project, you can able to see second Django second deployment. Here are you seeing second project? Are you seeing second project? Yes, perfect. Where it is available, sir? pythonanywhere.com. Now you are getting the clarity. Once we hosted on Python anywhere. Okay. Now, sir, send a request because my application is already in the live, sir. Send a request. Now the same response from the local machine, whatever response you are getting, same response by default you are going to get. Now, Durga Soft Django pythonanywhere.com/date. Have you observed, right? This is the now URL which is there in the live. Can you please open? Yes, the current date and time server is like this, right? How beautiful it is. Now, so first level basic idea, GitHub pythonanywhere.com. 3 levels. Are you in the position to understand basic idea? Getting right? So first we require to move. Sir, our application into GitHub. From GitHub, yes, you can move to any platform. If our application is available online, then copy to deployment platforms will become very easy. Remember that. That's why via GitHub we have to get the application. Clear. Next, some people may have the doubt, sir, how you can where you use Git. So from local system, if I want to move to GitHub, compulsory it should be managed by Git only. Regarding it should be managed by Git only. By using Git only, I can able to move my application from local machine to GitHub. Remember that Git bash is there. Here we require to execute a sequence of commands. Then happily it will move to GitHub. That's all. Any doubt, friends? The basic idea. What is Git? What is GitHub? And what is deployment platform? Version control. What is version control? What are various advantages of version control? Next, next and after the hosting server. Next, deployment server, like this, right? There are multiple hosting servers are available. Can you please tell any 3 hosting servers? Can you please tell any 3 hosting servers? Ayo, any 3 hosting servers? GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. Are you getting? Next, can you please tell any 3 version control softwares? Git, CVS, SVN. Next, and after that, Bazaar. Bazaar, there is one. Next, IBM, Rational Clear Case. Next, Team Foundation Server, TFS. Like these things are version control systems. Okay, version control followed by what we call hosting, and then deployment. For Python Django application, can you please spell out any 3 deployment platforms? AWS, Azure, Python Anywhere, okay, Heroku, like all these things are deployment platforms. That's all. Now, if you are getting basic idea about this terminology, then our next life will become very easy. Okay, well, just the session, not Shashank, it won't change in the live. We have to do the required changes. Here there are two doubts the people are asking. Just the Vaishnav is asking. Yes, here just observe that he is using first Git, then Python anywhere compulsory. Can't we use deploy from our system itself? So means that is asking without GitHub directly can I deploy from my local machine into the Python anywhere.com or not? Yes, you can able to do that. Yes, we can able to do that, but it is a bit difficult. Regarding, but it's a difficult. Okay, instead of that, if it is available online, then it's very easy. Suppose in your local system, observe a bit very carefully, Vaishnav. In your local system, there is one PDF document is available. Okay, PDF document is available. It is not there in online. In your local system, it is there. So suddenly, Sir Ravi is asking, "Arey, can you please just send this PDF to me?" Okay, like that. So now, if it is already there in the mail, just forward that mail. If it is there in the local system, then we have to attach and then send. Are you seeing any advantage if it is already online? If that application is already online, it is easy to send or not? Yes, that is the advantage of moving from remote hosting server to deployment server instead of from local system directly. That's why the biggest advantage, if our application online, so one copy send it to AWS, another copy send it to Heroku, another copy can you please send it to pythonanywhere.com. Next, all these deployment platforms more compatible, can talk very easily with these hosting services. Remember that they can't talk that much easily with our local machines. Regarding hosting service, deployment platform, both are best of friends, man. That's why. So do you know, if you want to move from GitHub to Python anywhere, if you want to move from GitHub, assume that it is the GitHub, it is the Python anywhere deployment. Do you know how much activity you require to do? Just a small command you require to use. One command, matter of 1 second, automatically your total application will go and sit in the deployment platform. But if it is there in your local machine, first file, second file, third file, next and so on, it is always a bigger problem. Now, Vaishnav, are you able to understand, right? The advantage if it is there online. Okay, good. Next, Tirumalesh is asking one small doubt, sir. Can you please observe carefully? Sir, if we change the version of the application in Git, is it changed in the live or not? By default, no. By default, no. We have to make it applicable. Regarding by default, no. Automatically it won't change. It's not God. We require to intimate, boss. Latest version is available. Can you please? Suppose in your system you are using Python 3.7. Tomorrow Python 3.9 is going to come. Automatically it will become 3.9. No, that newer version you require to install, then only it will be available. Getting right? That's also. So these are various things what you people should aware, get the basic idea. Okay, in the next session we will talk about what is Git, how to download Git, next how to create repository, how you can able to move to the GitHub. That part I will take care, don't worry.